Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a drop shadow to shapes in Canva to create depth and make your design stand out. Adding shadows is a great way to give your elements a more professional and layered look. On your Canva dashboard, we will start by adding a shape. Click on the tools, then click on Shapes, and choose the shape you want to add. As you can see, the shape now appears on your canvas. To add a drop shadow, click on the shape, then click on Effects. Select the drop shadow option and click on it. Click Adjust to choose the direction of your shadow. As you can see, the position changes as you move it. For example, let's place it in the lower right. We can also offset the shadow to get the look we want. We can adjust the offset, and we can also change the blur and the transparency of the shadow. Once we are happy with the result, just click Save. That's how we add a drop shadow to shapes in Canva in just a few simple steps. Now, our designs will have more depth and visual appeal.